here they are. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys seen by the title of this video, we are about to go pick up some wheels for the daily, for the Q50. I'm very excited. This is actually, I wouldn't say a dream setup, but this is a setup I had in mind since before I bought the car. You know, like when you guys buy a car, you're like, oh, I want to have it like this and like that. Well, these are the exact wheels I wanted before I even bought the car. So I found a great deal on them, so I'm gonna go ahead and just full send it and go pick them up. We are about an hour away, and I'm supposed to be there in exactly an hour and 6 minutes. So we're on time. I'm gonna have to just stop at the bank really quick for the cash, and we're off. All right, guys. So stopped at the store for a 7-Eleven. I stopped at the store for a 7-Up real quick because I've been having a stomach ache all day. Like, I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of some protein that I drank because of the gym or some food that I ate. I don't know, but I've been kind of like nauseous. So for the road. Yeah, guys, next stop is the bank, because I mean, you can't buy wheels with no freaking money. All right, guys, so I completely forgot to update the vlog when I stopped at the bank, but got the cash. Now we're on the highway to get some freaking wheels, buddy. All right, guys, package is secured. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys once I'm home, just because it was like a fast transaction. It's late, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys once I'm home. Stopping at this Chevron because your boy needs to pee after that 7-Up. But yeah, guys, I mean, I'm not gonna show you guys the wheels, but they're there. They're definitely there. All right, guys, you know, haven't really ate all day, so stop that In-N-Out. Get you a girl that supports your car addiction so much that she buys you food after you spend money on car parts. That's a flex. Cute looking, saucy. I like how the lowering makes the car look, but the stocks honestly just gotta go. But I'm very excited to put these on right now. Just gonna literally eat. I haven't really ate all day. Eat, get home, install them, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys. Can't wait to drive with them tomorrow on the day. Little food vlog right here. Oh, yup. If you guys don't live in Cali, I feel sorry for you guys. Best burgers ever. Besides Baker's. Alright, guys, we're back home. Just brought the Z out. I don't know how well you guys can see because I'm using a GoPro. But now I'm gonna put the Z in the garage because what the heck? I'm gonna put the Q in the garage. Just have a fast service to swap the wheels. Yeah, guys, go ahead and do this. All right, guys, the Q is inside. Before I swap the wheels or start swapping them, let's go ahead and reveal the wheels to you guys. So one of the wheels is actually in the trunk. So here they are. Yes, yes, sir. And there's no V2 wheels. So for the OGs, you guys remember I used to have these on my Z probably like 3 years ago. Before I even bought the car, like I said, I was actually already thinking about slapping these wheels on. I just had to find them, and I found them. And for a freaking steal, guys. But yeah, guys, honestly, I'm in love, and I can't wait to see how they look on the car. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jack up the car. Before I put the wheels on, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up pretty quick. They're pretty dirty. Why not spend the extra 5 minutes? Alright, guys, well, one wheel is on after fighting for it for like 20 minutes. Looking good, looking good. Alright, guys, rear is on. I'm gonna go ahead and actually tighten it. Alright, guys, well, here it is. I don't know why I didn't think about this sooner. So obviously this is not gonna work. This 285 on this car is not gonna work. I don't know why it didn't click earlier. but that is definitely not gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to a tire shop tomorrow and try to get, I'm thinking a 265. It looks really good, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna, I like how the fitment looks, but actually I don't really love it, but it looks good. But I mean, it's not gonna work. I can't even feel like a nail. I could barely feel like my nail right here. The moment I hit a dip or a bump, it's over. I'll try to see if I full send it to the tire shop, but as of right now I definitely need to go get like a 265. Let's see, these are 40s, I'm assuming. Let's see how tall they are. These are 35s. Yeah, so 265/30 will definitely do the trick, I would say. I think I have enough experience to guess that. I mean, unless I do like a 255, which I mean I prefer not to do. But other than that, guys, it needs a spacer in the front, and the car looks very, very nice. I love how it looks, just how I imagined it. All right, guys, it is now the next day. I spent the last hour of my life calling tire shops looking for the exact size I needed, and thankfully I found one, or found two. So we're gonna go. The only thing I'm worried about is driving like this. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get out of my driveway, see how that works. If it's like too bad, then I'm gonna just back it back up and put on the stocks in the rear for now. But for now, I'll let you guys hear a little cold start. Alright guys, well, I brought the car out. It's not as bad as it was inside the garage. I could definitely drive it on it, but I could definitely drive it to the shop like this. Shouldn't be an issue. But I definitely need to get a skinnier tire. The fitment is not all that. So let's go ahead and go to the tire shop. Alright guys, so I'm back from the tire shop. I completely forgot to pick it up at the tire shop. I was just trying to get in and out of there. So these are the tires, the 30s. I did not think 30s were gonna make that big of a difference. If you guys remember, the 35s were literally on the fender, like ridiculous. Now this one's, I mean, I got some space. That's what I was looking for. Now it looks like a monster truck. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. It's a daily, like I said. I never really wanted to slam this car. And if I really do want to slam it, I could just get coilovers. I don't really care. If you guys remember, I'm currently on a lowering spring, so if I really want to slam it, I'll just get some coilovers and call it a day. Other than that, I mean, I'm in love, guys, to be honest. Just need a spacer in the front. Oh my god, that fitment does look pretty freaking good though, I'm not gonna lie. From this angle, like from the front, that looks fire. Literally, if I had coilovers, bro, it would be perfect. So I might invest in some coilovers. But yeah, guys, it looks amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Look at that poke. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys this final little walk around because I think I'm going to edit this video really quick and try to upload it as soon as possible for you guys. Even though I don't want to upload this late, but a lot of people want to see the wheel, so I'm going to just post it right now. So with that being said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little walk around. Like I said earlier, I'm not the happiest with the rear fitment. If I had coilovers, I would just lower it, call it a day. But I don't hate it either. I'm pretty sure if I grab some 35s that have this type of sidewall, it'll be solid. So close the gap a little bit, or just buy some coilovers, go full slam. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the new look on the Q. If you guys are wondering where the Z is at, it's in my garage. Don't worry, a lot of things coming for that car as well. I just wanted to prioritize this a little bit because it is my daily driver and I want to keep riding in style. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys like the wheels, like this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys get whenever I post. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.